Oh, splish splash. I think there is anything.
Oh my gosh. How is it not flooded? It was. Oh,
It's flooded for them.
It's all good old days. Kind of, not really, but ish.
I'll be young again. Big time. Big five.
Look at all this big grass though. At least the rain's doing some good.
Get the.
Ooh, that was beautiful.
Take pictures of it right now when it's pretty before summer comes.
Mm-hmm. Pulls. Let's walk. I'm surprised everything looks so green. It's beautiful. Mira Loma. For real, dog. No. Dang. Oh my gosh, this is where the fire was. Oh. Well, I heard. Oh, look at that stream. It's cool.
Oh, that was the one that happened like last week.
Yeah, someone was talking about a fire.
I did.
Yeah, you were talking about a fire? Ooh, listen to that.
Yeah, I don't know if that's real.
It's all cement, sweetie.
Yeah, I'll go around that. I got poop real bad. Like, it's about to come out.
I do want to go over here though. Oh wow. Good thing I didn't walk there.
Rib.
I know. I've seen it too. It goes all the way, look, all the way. Wow. Ah, what's happening?
But look at this, it's like a fucking Grand Canyon.
It's like a mini Grand Canyon.
Beautiful. That's so cool.
What do you name your ship?
Hope Rides Alone. That's you insist on the side.
Hope Rides Alone.
Ah!
Alright, well that failed.
Good thing I have a second.
Mine is, move your thumb, O to nose, as you can tell.
You said minus?
Mine is.
Oh.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Ah! Shoot!
Ah!
Ah, sucker! See how far it goes.
Wait, I need to flip mine over. My O to nose guy.
Got it. Keep going. It's free. Ah, doing the rocks.
Mine's sick.
Yours sucks.
Yours is all heavy duty.
It's too shallow.
Yeah. Wait till it gets to the good part. Oh my god! That's so cool. Got stuck.
Oh wait, no, never mind. Still good? Still good?
Balls came out.
Oh, I got water inside.
Woo.
Keep losing my bones.
Oh, I thought my scarf was coming off. Look at the task ahead.
I cheated.
Babe, you're such a cheater.
Oh no!
That's what you get for cheating.
Still good, still good.
Flip it over. Careful.
Ah.
Don't fall. Please don't fall.
Oh, damn it. Hold on. That's too scary. You're right here.
Ooh. Think you can make it?
Let's see. Da, 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 da. Damn it.
Going in circles.
Going.
Riptide!
Two barrel.
Wow, that's hilarious.
Distraction.
Oh, nice, it worked. Still going underwater, but don't kill it.
Wait. Sorry, so good. So good, so good. Like right there.
Spinning in circles again. Oh, wait. Oh, it's stuck right there.
The rock.
There we go. There it goes, underwater. Ah!
Sorry. The Grand Canyon. It's gonna get stuck now.
It's stuck.
Aw.
So rock. Other way. How do you do it? Yeah, maybe. Little, yep. Yeah, little. You got it. Oh, rocks. That's terrible. Got a happy face inside. I just realized. Well,
I win.
you win. Round 2? Alright, let's go home, sweetie.
Whoa.
Sorry.
Me and Mary Poppins.
I love the rain.
I know.